All right, I want to give a video of the solution to the Excel exam. First off, let's merge and center the title. Looks like these are already wrapped, so no need to do anything big there. Again, just some formatting here first. Thick bottom border. Okay, so interest rate. This is going to be a VLOOKUP. Now remember, to be completely correct, your formula needs to be copyable down. That's why we can't just go over here and do cell references on the correct data. If we were doing that, we might as well just use a word table. But you have to envision that there's like thousands of records here. Okay. And that's why it would take all day to do it by hand. If you did what a lot of the students did, the cell references back and forth, like everything was different. So anyways, we take the credit score, we bring it down here, and we look up the interest rate. My table array is this table. I want to return column number 2. I'm sure you've seen me do this a million times. This is always needs dollar signs. This never needs dollar signs. And now I can just copy this down. Right? And if there was 10,000 records I could copy. The down payment is the exact same thing, except instead of column 2, we do column 3. Based on the credit score, same table. Now here I put in a 3 because I'm going to grab this down payment here. Okay, and we still need, now we could do the helper if you want. We still need the dollar signs there. Now, but we're not done. The down payment certainly isn't 20 cents. We need to take this times the selling price. And there's our down payment. Okay, so if we write a check for $53,070, the amount I really need would be the selling price minus the down payment. Okay, and I don't need dollar signs because I'm not looking anywhere down below, so copy that down. A lot of students in all of the sections tend to think that the monthly payment is simply take the amount financed divided by 12, but the bank needs their money too. If you're borrowing, they're going to lend you money based on the interest, so you have to figure out the monthly payment. And so the first parameter in the payment is the rate, which is right here. And once you get this far, another common mistake is forgetting to divide the rate by 12. The number of payments is going to be the loan term, so 30 years times 12 payments per year. So in 30 years, you write 360 checks. And the present value is how much I'm going to borrow. That's right here. And I'm going to hit OK there. And I am not looking outside the row, so it doesn't look like any dollar signs. Why am I getting a red parenthesis? That means a negative in accounting. I forgot to put my negative sign in front of my present value because you're in the hole that much. Okay, and my mouse is, I have one of those cordless mouses that's goofing up on me. Okay, now total payment. Again, this needs to be copyable. If they received an FHA loan, they need to pay the FHA fee. So you have to throw this plus the $50 if there's a yes. If there's a no, they don't. So this is going to be an if function. If. Okay. And again, my question is, does this cell contain the word yes? Does I4 contain the word yes? If that is true, then return this fee, else return nothing. And we're going to need a dollar sign on that fee. Okay, Now, certainly that's not the total payment. I need to throw in their monthly payment. So some people will get $0 added. Some people will get $50 added to their payment. Okay? The loan statistics. This is count. This should have been 3 points. Could choose any of the columns with numbers in it. The highest amount financed. I think I had more. The lowest. I think I'm missing some here, but you get the idea of it. You want to call a function the minimum function. Again, imagine, these are all small, but imagine that they're tens of thousands of records. So, all right, let's do some formatting. I'm holding Control. Some of these are already in $ format, and we want, I think I said, well, that would be currency, and accounting would look like that. I can't remember which one I said here. Oh, I just said so it matches the sheet. The sheet has currency. Okay. And that's it. Then there's the chart. Let me get my chart out. It looks like here I'm doing the amount to be financed per person. So I want to select the customers, hold the Control, amount to be financed. I want to insert. I want a bar chart. Yeah, that looks like it's it right there. And then I need to move it to its own chart. Column. Okay, and then we want to do the data labels. So I select the chart. I add data labels, go over here, some more options. I want to fill, solid, and I chose yellow. You could have chose anything you wanted to here if my mouse will cooperate with me. And that's it.